Hello again from the Italian Trader. Okay, so in January, on 3 January, I started a road from 100 to 1k, and it is actually going very well. These are all the transactions from the 3 January to the 10 February. I'm using an RSI and a MACD. I buy when the price is lower and I resell when the price is higher. My actual investment is like 0.002. You see, I need a margin of 37 euros. I'm actually in loss, but I'm pretty sure it will go up again. Okay, the broker I'm using is actually IQ Option, which is an European broker. It is regulated by the CySEC, or the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, so it is pretty reliable. It lets you withdraw without any difficulty, Okay guys, so this is the day 1 of the road to 1k. Let's see how much it takes. I will raise my investment every time that I earn on some trades. My actual balance is 109, so it means that I made almost 10% in 1 month, which is something more than normal, because if you actually put your money in a bank, money will give you the 2% in 1 year, and I made the 10% in 1 month, so it is actually inhuman. Okay guys, so the link for IQ Option is in the description below. If you want to invest, you can invest. You can open a demo account to practice your trading, but never invest the money you can't afford to lose. You have to invest the money you actually consider lost, Okay guys, so this is everything for the video of today. Follow me for more. I will update the situation when the prices will raise and I will earn, so I will close the position and I will make a video on it, and then when I will see a new opportunity of investment, I will open OBS Studio and I will record it and I will give the details. Okay, so goodbye.